You are God. You will not just be God. You will not just like you. You're a great God. You are God. You will not just be God. You're not just like you. You are a great God. Hi, I will get right to it. If you are joining us for the first time, you can visit my previous video on how to play Solfa notes on guitar, off neck, first position. Today we'll be working on how to play Solfa notes on guitar, off neck, second position, still on key, G major as a case study, which is on this third fret of the sixth string. Here we are to make use of finger 1 to pick our first note. The same finger 1 still on the same sixth string. Do, re, mi. The mi to be played with finger 3 is on the 7th fret of the same string. Mi. Then fa to be played with finger 4 is on the 8th fret. One more time. Do, re, mi, fa. So do this as many times as possible until you get used to it. Let's proceed to the next string, which is A string or 5th string. Here we have saw here. The saw to be played with finger 1 is on the 5th fret. So the next note, la. La is on the 7th fret. To be played with finger 3. So do this as many times as possible. So la, so la. Okay, from the beginning one more time. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Okay, the next note is on string 4, also known as this string. To play this with finger 1, T. The T is on the 4th fret. It's on the 4th fret. T. Do. The Do is on the 5th fret of the same string. To be played with finger 2. Sorry, Do. So we just played an octave. So one more time. You know, from this root here to this root here is an octave. One more time. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So do this as many times as possible. The way you ascended the note, the same pattern, descend the note. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, let's proceed to the next octave. So from this root here, which is the octave, we pick the first note as with finger 2. Do, re. The re is on the 7th fret. So we played with finger 4. Do, finger 2 on the 5th fret. Re on the 7th fret. Do, re. Now let's proceed to the next string, which is the 3rd string, also known as G string. With finger 1, mi, mi. Then These are semitone, mi, fa, semitone, mi, fa. Finger 1 and finger 2, mi, fa. Finger 1 on the 4th fret, finger 2 on the 5th fret, mi, fa. Then to play saw with finger 4 on the 7th fret. Do this as many times as possible. Mi, fa, so, mi, fa, so. Let's proceed to the next note, which is on the 2nd string, also known as B string. La. This La is on the 5th fret. This La is on the 5th fret of the B string, also known as the 2nd string. La with 2nd finger. Then T with finger 4 on the 7th fret. Then Do and T as usual, semitone, make use of finger 4. One more time. Sorry, here we have finger 2. La, ti, do, la, ti, do. Finger 2, finger 4, T, finger 4, Do. Okay, let's proceed to the next note, which on the 4th string, also known as high E string. We have here Re. The Re is on the 5th fret with finger 1, Re. Then Mi. So we played with finger 3 on the 7th fret, Re, Mi. Then Fa on the 8th fret. So we played with finger 4, Re, Mi, Fa. So do this as many times as possible. Re, Mi, Fa. So it's time to descend the notes. Have a look at my finger movement. Finger 4, finger 3, Mi, finger 1. One more time. Fa, mi, re, fa, mi, re. Now the next string, Do, finger 4. I hope you are following. Do, Ti, finger 3, La. One more time. Do, Ti, La. So you can also use your finger 3 to play the next note, which is on the G string. Fa, mi. As you can see, finger 3, so, fa, mi. So we are using finger 3, 3, 1, 1, so, fa, mi. Finger 4, Re. Finger 4 on the next string, which is this string, Re. Finger 4, then Do. Finger 2, Do, Ti. Finger 1, Re, Do, Ti, Re, Do, Ti. As many times as possible. Re, Do, Ti. Okay, the next string, which is A string, I'm using finger 3 here. La, La, So. So finger 3, 1, La, So, La, So, La, So. The 6th string. The 6th string, finger 4, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Okay, just like this. One more time. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, do. I have an assignment for you. You are to use the same pattern, the same finger movement on every key that is on this sixth string. For example, here we have key G, which we have been using as a case study. Here is G sharp, key A sharp, B, C, C sharp, and so on the same second position, just as we did on G, second position. For example, G sharp, the next key, which is A. The next key, that's the next key. The next key, thank you for watching. See you in the next video, where we'll be linking the first position and the second position.